My name is Gabriella. I'm a high schooler in the North Alabama area. I've grown up with coding. I started coding when I was really little, and I kept pushing through it, and I eventually got to the Udacity programs, and I really enjoyed it. I come from Huntsville, which of course is a big tech place, so I've really grown up with STEM and really been around math and science and seen that since I was little. I was always really into math. Even when I was like in kindergarten, I really enjoyed doing the math stuff. All my math worksheets I thought were fun. I love the logic of it. I love being able to see patterns and do them over and over and be able to use those patterns in new ways. That's kind of what computer science is learning patterns and then using them in new ways to create new things. I started coding when I was about 8 or 9 on Khan Academy's website, and that really jump-started me. It was really easy, really fun, just little animations, drawing smiley faces and things like that. And when I got older, I kept liking it and I wanted to do more. When I was 13, I took my first Udacity nano degree in Android basics because a lot of my online education I had up to that point was in Java, and so Android is based in Java, and so I went to the Android basics nano degree when I was 13. And then a few years later, actually during this COVID pandemic, I took a second nano degree in advanced Android development on Udacity, and both those were very tough and very challenging, but very satisfying in the end. So after COVID shut everyone down, my school was out barely. We didn't really have any work to do, and I wanted to make use of my time. I wanted to get better at coding. I hadn't done it in a few months, a year or two. I learned the hard skills, the technical aspects of how to actually build an Android app, but I also learned a lot of soft skills like note-taking and keeping myself motivated and patience, a lot of patience. As a freshman, I went to the Alabama State Science Fair competition, and I placed second in the state for my computer science project. And then more recently, I was a national honorable mention for the Female NCWIT Aspirations Award for Women in Computer Science. So over the past few years, I've done a few freelance projects for various companies. One of them had a big Google Sheets spreadsheet, and I had to create a script that would transpose some of those data from a Google form onto the spreadsheet and then send an email back to the user based on what their form response is and the spreadsheet data was. Currently, my plans are, after high school, to major in computer science and pursue a computer science degree, and after that, to become a developer in the real world. I really enjoy creating things, really enjoy creating code and solving problems, and becoming a computer developer will allow me to do that. I think it's very important for kids to start learning computer science early. It really captures their interest and captures imagination. It gives them a new view of computers instead of just something to use, they can use it something to create. Gets their imagination and teaches them a lot. In the future, I definitely plan to continue online learning via Udacity because computer science is constantly evolving and I have to stay up to date if I want to stay in the realm of computer science. My advice for young adults or kids who want to go into computer science is just to buckle up. It's an amazing subject. It's completely worth it, but at the same time, it's very challenging. And I wish anyone who wishes to do it good luck. And you can keep doing it if you keep pushing through.
Hey viewer, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and comment on it. Subscribe to our channel and social media. All social media links can be found in the comment below.